Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your logo to Shopify. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here in my Shopify store, all you have to do is go to headers or wherever your own logo is wanted to be placed. So from here, we want to see in our header that we want to change this into our own logo. So let's go to header right here, and then let's see if we can change our own logo. So here, all you have to do is edit your logo in Theme Center and then change. So you can select from your library, explore for free images, and many much more. So to select from your library, all you have to do is go to your library and check it and done. It's just that simple. So you can click and drag it from your own Finder or your Windows desktop in your files. So there you go guys, that is how you do it. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.